Kinda sore there.
A little bit, yeah.
Let both your arms hang down. And there.
Sounds good.
And put your arms back in.
I'm kind of like it down.
You can put them down if you want.
It was comfortable in there when I had them laying down. Does it change anything?
No, it just pulls your shoulder blades out of the way a little bit for up there. Makes it a little bit easier. Big breath in. Calm. Big breath there. Okay, lay on that side, face me here. Other side.
Every time.